Crypto fans, welcome back here with more news, and today we're looking at the Pepe coin and where is it actually heading next before it eventually will fall down. But I think it's not going to fall down like much, as it's actually going to go up and back again at its at least 1 billion market cap, and then it will drop to some kind of 200 million, maybe 100 million in the market cap if it won't be much more hype for it. But let's have a look what's next for the Pepe coin today. Pepe price predictions. So as Pepe coin ready for another pump, here's what on-chain data says. Here's what the different on-chain indicators from sentiment have to say about whether Pepe coin could see another pump soon or not. The meme coin's on-chain metrics have been down since the top, as Pepe has been one of the hottest topics around the cryptocurrency market recently, thanks to the explosive growth that the meme coin has enjoyed. Between the end of last month and the 5th of May, the coin saw its price rise by an extraordinary 1,200%. The uptrend, however, ended up there as the cryptocurrency has been sharply plunging since then. According to the sentiment, the on-chain analytic firm Social Dominance Indicator signaled this top in advance. So let's go to the news Bitcoin and continue on checking out. So Social Dominance tells us what the percentage of the discussions happening on the social media related to the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap and are taking about a given coin. As the below chart shows, Pepe's social dominance rose to very high values just before the top took form earlier in the months. As whenever social dominance hits high level, it's a sign of euphoria among investors, which is something that has historically led to top formations for cryptocurrencies. Sentiment notes that the indicator still has a value of about 5%, meaning that 5% of all discussions related to the top 100 assets involve the meme coin currently. Seeing it get down to the 1 to 2% range would be a good sign that traders are beginning to stray away and look for pumps from other altcoins, the firm explains. As the active addresses metric, which measures the total number of unique addresses taking part in some transaction activity of the blockchain, also saw a spike just before the top. When this indicator has a high value, it means a large number of investors are making trades right now, as the price generally becomes more likely to get volatile when the metric shows such a trend. From the chart, it's visible that the active addresses indicator has come down in the value for Pepe in the last few days, which means that the market activity has calmed down. An interesting trend is also visible in the data of the supply of the largest Pepe coin holders, as the below graph display. As these humongous holders has been accumulating while the rally had been going on, but right as the top took form, they started shedding coins from their wallets. As this cohort has continued to sell since then, as the Pepe's value has gone downhill, if you start seeing these lines moving up again, there is much larger probability of Pepe going for its second round of pumping, though probably a more minor one, explains the sentiment. One positive sign for the asset, however, may be that the trading volume has rebounded recently after having declined since the top. And here we could see the trading volume went up 785 million with a 51% up once people started to purchase more. So that means that people are actually getting ready for another pump as they continue to purchase at a way lower price. And if we look at the previous lower positions, it actually wasn't like too much of a buying. So here we could see that's mostly the selling trading volume, and here as well. And right now people are actually buying, and we could see the price trying to pump up even more, and hopefully it actually does. So we're 1335 and it still continues to grow. Looking at the Pepe coin on the crypto bubbles, we see a 10% on an hour chart. It's still 5% down on the day chart, but it's actually growing on an hour chart and hopefully brings us to the way higher positions. And also there's one more update, as 46 million worth of Pepe faces liquidation risk. Pepe coin has become one of the most talked about crypto projects, as however token is currently facing a huge liquidation risk. According to Scope Protocol, 33 trillion Pepe tokens worth a whopping 46 million were deposited to exchanges in the last 24 hours. Of the total, 22 million tokens were sent from 1,176 addresses, as the development puts a serious question on whether the project will see a massive liquidation soon. So in the past 24 hours, a large amount of Pepe has been deposited into the exchanges, as 33 trillion, worth $46 million. Although it's still over 1700% since its launch, the token has fallen by almost 29% in the last 24 hours, as moreover it's dropped by 36% last week, as its peak on May 5th registered returns of 6,363%. However, the token has been on a downturn ever since. Moreover, in the last 24 hours, Pepe's volume has surged by nearly 320%. So can Pepe rebound? We already discussed it. Here we could see all the knowledge, all the information if you want to check it out. We're still waiting for the hype to come up as people start to purchase. So that's what we got on the Pepe coin today. See you in the next one, and peace.